Whenever starting a new job or driving for Uber, there's always things that you need to learn. So let's talk about 11 different mistakes that you want to avoid when beginning driving for Uber. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the RideShare Guy. Let's get right into it. Number one, don't pay full price for gas. In fact, gas is going to be one of your biggest expenses unless you have an electric vehicle. How to save on gas? Well, we recommend the Upside app. Download it using the link in the description below and even enter RIDE35 to get 35 cents off per gallon when you first fill up. I'll also leave a link in the description for a video on how to use the Upside app. Number two, you don't have to take every single ride. In fact, some rides that you're going to get are not going to be profitable for you. And with the addition of upfront earnings coming to most markets by the end of the year, this is going to be great because you're going to be able to evaluate whether that ride is going to be profitable for you or not right before you actually accept the ride or deny it. Number three, don't drive around aimlessly trying to wait for the next ride to come in. The only time you ever want to drive after a ride is complete is if you're in an area that you don't want to be in or there's no rides coming in. Then at that point, drive to where the rides are going to be. But after a ride is complete, for the most part, you're just going to want to sit there and wait for the next ride to come in. And not only that, it's actually going to help cut down on the amount of miles that you drive per day, which is going to save you money on gas and also wear and tear items on your car. Number four, don't chase surge zones. If you see a surge zone on the map, that's great. That's awesome. It means it's busy, but don't chase it because you got to remember there's other drivers on the app and likely they're going to be closer. So they actually might try to drive there too. And when you get there, it's going to disappear. Number five, be subscribed to the RideShare Guy and turn on all notifications. I mean, it's the RideShare Guy. It's the exact thing that you need if you are starting to become an Uber or Lyft driver. So make sure you're subscribed. Also on Tuesday nights, we do a live show called Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, where we talk about different updates within the gig economy and some of the things that are going on, which can help you maximize your earnings behind the wheel. Number six, follow all local laws in your area when it comes to driving. You're not above the law. You need to realize that. So make sure you adhere to all local laws whenever you're out on the road. Number seven, you don't get paid when there's nobody in your car. The only time you're going to be getting paid is if there's a rider in your car. So if you're just sitting there waiting, you're not getting paid. Number eight, learning your market. You need to know where it's going to be busy. You need to know when it's going to be busy. And you need to know when drivers are going to be mostly out on the road and when drivers are going to be least likely on the road, as well as the different events that are going on. And you could couple all that together. So when you're out, you know what areas to hit, you know what times to go out at, and you know what places to be. Number nine, and this goes very well with knowing your market, but number nine is planning your day or your week. Know when you're going to go out, know where you're going to go out and the events that are going on, and plan that out ahead of time so you know when you can go out, where you're going to go out, which is going to help you make more money in the long run. Number 10, make sure to sign up for more apps than just one. You don't want to be just on Uber because if it's slow when you're out, even if you think it's busy because you planned ahead and you know your market, sometimes the rides aren't coming in or there's too many drivers on the road at the same time you're on the road, so it could be slow. So you want to make sure you are on multiple apps. So sign up for Lyft, sign up for Doordash, Instacart, whatever app is available in your area and that you have interest in. Number 11, don't get screwed by your passengers. Check out this video right here on 11 ways not to get screwed by passengers that could try to mess with you. All right, everybody, drive safe.